Hi there, this is Clovis from Kinematic Lab. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the numbers object. So let's open the UI Toolkit interface. And I'm going into the others category. So you have new objects here, and this is the numbers objects we are talking about today. So let's click on this button, and then I click in the viewport, and that's it. My object is created. So I will close this and go in the parameters. So you have just a few parameters here. It's fairly simple. So first of all, you can choose its font. So you have access to all the fonts installed in your Windows. Okay, so everything which is accessible from Macs is going to be found here, and you can choose the font you want. Okay, so now let's talk first about the number value. So basically this is the value you're going to show here, okay? So this number value can be animated, so I can apply a controller here, like a noise float, for example. Okay, it's a bit too fast. So you can have an animated mesh like that, or I can just have some keyframes. So let's say at the frame 20 I want to have 100. Okay, you can have this number growing animated. You also have the choice of the alignment. So align on left, the number is going to grow from left to right, or align on right is going to grow on this side. Okay. Fine. Now you have here decimals value, so it really depends on the number you add here, but if you reduce the number of decimals, it will just have the ones you type here. You also can change the size of this text, of course, and you can add a suffix, so it's basically a unit that you can show before or after. So let's say I want to have centimeters, and I have this text applied before, but it can be anything, you know. You can change its size. You can offset the numbers from it, okay? And depending if you are choosing left or right, the suffix is going to be on one side or the other side. Now about the percentage here. Let's change the animation of this and have like 300 here. So when you animate the numbers value, you can really, this value is really the value that you can see here. But if I do not animate that, just have 300, and I animate the percentage, it's going to be the percentage of this value. So 0 is 0, 100% is this value. So if I have this, so I can be sure that this is going to be the maximum value and this is going to go from 0 to this value. Okay, I will reduce the number of decimals so you can see. And you can also animate this, of course. Okay. So that's great, but you can, for example, link this percentage value to the percentage value of another UI Toolkit object to animate them together. So, for example, I'm going to create a stripe object. Okay. I will add some divisions and separate them like that. Okay. And I have here a percentage value as well. So what I can do is I will add a controller to this one, so like a noise float. Okay, so you have a nice chain of value. And I will link this percentage controller to the percentage controller of the other one. So I will right click, go to wire parameters, and then in the object list I will select the percentage and link it to the percentage of the other object. So I have to link the percentage controller to this percentage controller, so this one to this one. And I click on this arrow and click connect. So now you see that this value, this percentage value, is linked to this percentage value. So whatever I change on this one will be changed on the other one as well. So that's it. See you in the next video.